Yes. So we're getting ready to leave now. So excited, honestly. Yeah. So I'm back again in my overalls, so you guys know what that means. Today we are hiking to Bailey's Fall in Grenville. This is my first time being here. I've never been here before, but I'm actually so excited. I'm a bit kind of, I've been getting migraines, so I'm just kind of a bit like out of it, but you're still gonna get the same energy anyway. So yeah, come along, let's have fun. I'm so excited. Like, I just want to go swim, to be honest, and kind of just recharge. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Come along with me.
You are good, so man. You get. Alright, let me just check something on YouTube.
What smell is that?
Banana.
Oh, banana. Oh, that's nice. And what about that one?
This one is black haze.
Black haze.
And you have the wood steam.
Oh, so star is resetting.
True.
Yeah, fam. That's the intention for today.
True.
So we're going. And I'm feeling refreshed already, literally. Alright, so we went up the wrong side. We have to go back down. Yeah, we're going back down now. Gabriel was like, oh, he said give him a minute because he was gonna go find it. He didn't even, we were stood there waiting for him, and my guy just disappeared. So yeah, we're going the right way now. Guys, it's the view from me. It's the views, bro.
Somebody passed out, somebody let her go nowhere drinking that. They enjoy, they need it more than me. So, we outside, yo. We in the eastern country, western Grenadian part of the island.
Okay guys, we took a little short break to just let everybody catch their breath, but we're back again now, and I'm not even sure how long this hike is, but Gabriel did say that it's the same length as Golden Falls, so it's a bit of a trek, but I'm not complaining. I'm having fun. My headache has basically gone. Like, I can still feel like a little thump at the back of my head, but like, it's nice. It's nice because it's quiet, you know. Like, for the people who get migraines, you guys know that noise is just not it. So right now I'm just hearing like the breeze and the trees and the birds, so it's really nice. My head is happy. So yeah, let's get back on the trail. This looks like a scene from like The Last of Us. I don't know, just like the war just kind of just looks like apocalyptic. madman. Everyone's getting ready, taking off their stuff. Honestly, I am hot as a motherfucker. I'm sweating like a pig, literally. But the water is nice and cold, so I'm excited to jump in, dive in, all them stuff. But it was worth it. It was worth it. Harry, we've made it to the top. So obviously I'm walking and this branch clearly doesn't want to like let me go. What are you making here, sir?
That's dumpling.
Dumpling, yeah. So today on the menu we're doing what? Brown down?
Brown lamb. Yeah.
Alright.
That's the guys doing.
Yeah, so we're just doing the dumpling right now. The chicken is on the fire and yeah boy.
No, on the rugby?
No, it's too much reflection.
On the water.
No. My phone is waterproof as well, but
You waterproof?
yeah. I'm not taking chance though. I mean, to be honest, it did drop in the water. It did drop in the water one time.
Well, for fucking for phone my waterproof already. I went to fucking spoil.
Yeah. That's the worst.
Who's that?
My watch, not fucking water resistant.
Wow.
Nothing sewing.
No, I feel that's a fake watch.
The watch drunk in the dark.
That's funny. It's so nice. Hey! So yeah, guys, we're just waiting on the queue right now. Put some hang picture. I'm so excited. So, look, you guys know me and my pictures already. So.
Yeah, that smoke.
It's real.
It's real.
Alright, cool. So guys, we're eating. This is called brown down. So it has chicken, dumpling, plantain. Yeah, basically that's what we have. So I'm done. I'm not going in this water again. I put on my overalls again, and that's it. Now it's just time to just dry off, eat food, and just enjoy the view and relax.